Question 1. What is the capital city of Tasmania? A. Geelong. B. Townsville. C. Hobart. Correct answer. C. Hobart. Question 2. Which of the following is not part of the Australian national flag? A. The Union Jack. B. The Aboriginal flag. C. The Commonwealth Star. Correct answer. B. The Aboriginal flag. Question 3. On what day does Anzac Day occur in Australia every year? A. May 6th. B. April 25th. C. December 21st. Correct answer. B. April 25th. Question 4. What is the capital city of South Australia? A. Darwin. B. Adelaide. C. Melbourne. Correct answer. B. Adelaide. Question 5. Who was Australia's first female Prime Minister? A. Julia Gillard. B. Tanya Plibersek. C. Penny Wong. Correct answer A. Julia Gillard. Question 6. Which of the following statements correctly describes voting rights in Australia? A. All Australian citizens have the right to vote, but it is not mandatory. B. Compulsory. C. Voluntarily. Correct answer. B. Compulsory. Question 7. What is the meaning of the expression fair go in relation to everyone in Australia? A. The achievements of a person should be the results of their wealth. B. The achievements of a person are the result of their hard work. C. The achievements of a person are the result of their background. Correct answer. B. The achievements of a person are the result of their hard work. Question 8. What will you possess upon becoming an Australian citizen? A. New responsibilities and a range of new benefits. B. The same as you were as a permanent resident. C. You can enjoy living in a free and democratic society. Correct answer. A. New responsibilities and a range of new benefits. Question 9. What is the meaning of secret ballot? A. Only your family knows who you vote for. B. No one can force you to tell them who you voted for. C. Only your employer can know who you vote for. Correct answer. B. No one can force you to tell them who you voted for. Question 10. If you want to influence changes to the law, who should you ask questions of? A. Your elected representative. B. Your employer. C. A judge. Correct answer. A. Your elected representative. Question 11. Cabinet composition includes A. The Prime Minister and all ministers. B. Ministers with the most senior portfolios. C. The Prime Minister, Premiers, and Chief Ministers. Correct answer. B. Ministers with the most senior portfolios. Question 12. In the event of conflicts arising between Australian laws and religious laws within Australia, which law should take precedence? A. Australian laws. B. Religious laws. C. It depends on the level of crime. Correct answer, A. Australian laws. Question 13. What is the largest desert in Australia? A. Great Victoria Desert. B. Simpson Desert. C. Gibson Desert. Correct answer, A. Great Victoria Desert. Question 14. Which state in Australia was the original colony established by the British? A. New South Wales. B. Queensland. C. Western Australia. Correct answer, A. New South Wales. Question 15. When were Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people considered part of the Australian population? A. 1953. B. 1967. C. 1908. Correct answer, B. 1967. Question 16. Which of the following states has the largest area in Australia? A. North Australia. B. Western Australia. C. New South Wales. Correct answer, B. Western Australia. Question 17. Which of the options below does not appear on the Australian Aboriginal flag? A. Green stripes that represent the land. B. The red bottom half stands for the earth and its spiritual relationship to the land. C. A yellow circle that stands for the sun. Correct answer, A. Green stripes that represent the land. Question 18. In your opinion, which of the items listed below isn't a component of the Commonwealth coat of arms? A. The Commonwealth Circle. B. The Southern Cross. C. A kangaroo and an emu. Correct answer, B. The Southern Cross. Question 19. Which of the following is a territorial region of Australia? A. Tasmania. B. Australian Capital Territory. C. Southern Territory. Correct answer, B. Australian Capital Territory. Question 20. The term used to describe the freedom for individuals to express their thoughts and opinions on any subject, as well as engage in discussions with others, is known as A. Freedom of religion. B. Freedom of speech. C. Freedom of association. Correct answer, B. Freedom of speech. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.